In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate approvals with Asana rules. If your team spends time chasing sign-offs, this quick setup will route work to the right reviewer and notify everyone automatically, so approvals happen faster and with less back and forth. First, open Asana in your browser or the desktop app and sign into the workspace where your project lives. Make sure you have permission to edit project rules. Project owners and editors can do this. Having the right access ensures your changes apply to the whole project. Next, open the project where you want approvals to happen. This is typically your team's main board or list view for deliverables. If you already track review stages with sections like needs approval, or you use a custom field such as approval status, that's great. Your rule will listen for those changes. Clear stages make your automation predictable and reliable. Now, look to the top right of the project and select Customize. This opens the customization panel where you control fields, forms, and most importantly for today, rules. Think of this panel as your project's control center. Choose Rules to view existing automation. Rules are built from a trigger, what starts the automation, and one or more actions, what Asana does in response. For approvals, a common pattern is when a task enters an approval stage, assign it to a reviewer, set a due date, add a helpful comment, and notify followers. You can chain multiple actions so the handoff is complete and unmistakable. Click Add to create a new rule. You can start from a template or write exactly what you need with natural language. Using natural language makes it easy to describe complex approval behavior without manual configuration in multiple menus. In the prompt box, describe the approval workflow clearly. For example, when a task moves to the Needs Approval section, assign it to the designated approver, add a comment requesting review, set the due date to 2 business days from now, and notify followers. If you use a custom field instead of sections, say, when approval status changes to ready for review. Be specific about the trigger, the assignee or role, any deadlines, and the notifications you want. Keep names generic, like project lead or design approver, so the rule stays reusable across tasks and teams. When the preview looks right, click Publish Rule. Your automation is now live. From now on, whenever a task hits the approval stage you defined, Asana will assign the reviewer, post instructions, set timing, and nudge the team automatically. No manual handoffs required. That's it. With a single rule, you've built a dependable approval lane that speeds up sign-offs, reduces delays, and keeps work moving. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this walkthrough while you set up your own rule.